In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how I create digital prints using Canva's Pattern Maker and then get them Etsy ready. This process works even if you don't have Canva Premium. So stick around for my free Canva workaround. I start with character designs from Leonardo AI. You can use any AI image generator. You can use text prompts to generate unique graphics or illustrations. Once I've got a design I like, I bring it into Canva using an Instagram post template, sized 1 by 1, perfect for square designs that later expand into patterns. Here I open Canvas Pattern Maker. I set the canvas to 12 by 12 inches and start with a 1 by 3 layout. This setup lets me create a seamless strip. I then adjust the colors to give it variety, sometimes brighter, sometimes muted depending on the product vibe. I always create multiple color variations of the same pattern because it gives customers more choice. Some people prefer bold, vibrant colors for statement pieces, while others look for softer, neutral tones that match their home decor. Offering different colorways also increases the chances of making a sale, since one design can appeal to completely different buyer preferences. So like the 1 by 3 design, I duplicate and expand it into a 3 by 3 layout. This creates a balanced full pattern. This is the version I use as my final design, and it's perfectly suited for digital prints like wall art or for uploading to POD platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Printify. I also make different character variations within the same pattern because it keeps the design visually interesting and unique. When buyers see variety, like slightly different poses, outfits, or expressions, the pattern feels more dynamic and less repetitive. This not only adds more personality to the print, but also makes it stand out in crowded marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble, where buyers are looking for something fresh and original. If you're using Canva Premium, this part is simple. You can download your design at 300 dpi 12 by 12 inches that gives you a high resolution print ready file straight from Canva. But if you're on Canva's free version, you will notice you don't get the 300 dpi download option. Here's the workaround I use. First, download your design from Canva as usual. Upload it to PI7 Image DPI Checker to see the current DPI. Next, go to Image Resizer and set the pixel size to 3600 by 3600 pixels. That matches the standard size for a 12 by 12 inch 300 dpi image. Then upload it to Clidio and change the DPI to 300. Finally, head back to PI7 Image DPI Checker to confirm your file is now 300 DPI. And if you don't want to use online tools, you can also right click the image file on your computer, go to Properties, and check the DPI under Image Details. Once I have my 300 dpi file ready, I upload it to Etsy as a digital product. I usually list it as a 12 by 12 inch high resolution printable. This way, customers can instantly download and use it for home decor, scrapbooking, or even POD projects. And that's the full process. From AI characters in Leonardo to Canva pattern maker to Etsy ready digital prints. If you would like me to make a detailed video on how to upload to Etsy step by step, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check the description for extra tools and resources to kickstart your digital product business. If you find some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.